But Dr. Piyush, would you say that Ayurveda is more accepting of integrating and with allopathy and allopathy, and allopathy being a bit ignorant towards Ayurveda? Would you agree?
See, actually, again, the problem here is we need to understand that ignorance can be at till that level where they can digest that, or maybe they can live with that. But now, gradually, when more and more people are accepting that, yes, like for example, we have a very small clinic in Delhi NCR. So many
Mhm.
patients today. Also, I remember in my OPD, so many patients were there that we need to start Ayurveda as a first line of treatment. Or generally, what we receive is we receive those patients who have exhausted their options. They have visited to so many allopathic doctors, but they were not getting healing, or they were not getting a permanent solution for their problem. And then they have come up to us that okay, at least there can be some solution in Ayurveda. And so many Ayurveda doctors in our country are facing these cases on a daily basis. So my point is,
Mhm.
rather than accept, and let's join hands together so that the society will see that okay, these both pathies are working together rather than fighting each other, because in fighting nobody will gain. And ultimately people are smart and people are mature enough these days. I appreciate
Mhm.
that the millennials, the young generations like you, the teenagers, all of them are very smart these days. They know what they are taking as an
Mhm.
also. Immediately they can check with their
Mhm.
smartphones, with the internet, they can check. For example, a very simple drug. In fact, I remember a couple of days back, one lady was there, a like senior citizen with her grandson, and her grandson immediately asked me that, okay, doctor, I have a doubt. I said, what? So he said, she recently got diabetes. So he said, one of my allopathic doctor prescribed metformin, and metformin I have checked is banned in US due to some serious issues. Why they are prescribing in India? I don't want my grandmother to take metformin because this is a very serious side effect drug which has been already banned in US. So why doctors are prescribing
Mhm.
in India? So that kind of questions they were having, and this he said upfrontly, no, that's why I want her to take Ayurveda, something natural, which will not affect her body, which will not have
Mhm.
side effect, and so on. So many other examples we have on daily basis. So it's like, see,
Mhm.
although the number is very less as far as the serious Ayurveda practitioners are concerned, but it is growing now. Earlier, what was happening
Mhm.
in our country also, nobody was giving preference to Ayurveda. So by virtue of earning a livelihood, or by some these kind of models, maximum Ayurveda doctors were also
Mhm.
practicing allopathy. In fact, these days also they are practicing. But now so many Ayurveda doctors are coming,
Mhm.
doctors like us, they are practicing 100% Ayurveda medicines only. So gradually this will increase and this will replicate and duplicate, and eventually allopathic doctors should also come up. And in fact it's there. In fact, many doctors, I know many senior doctors, many HODs, many top doctors in India, they are advocating, they are very supportive, they refer patients to us as well. It's not like that. But yes, there are several doctors in any pathy. In fact, in Ayurveda also we have so many doctors who are not accepting or who are not ready to join hands with allopathy, and vice versa. So these kind of doctors and these kind
Mhm.
of mindset will always be there in all the pathies. But yes, I think let's, and in fact in the recent debate, I don't want to quote any company or to quote any person, but the recent debate which we have
Mhm.
in the media, still so many allopathy doctors quoted this on channels that we are not against Ayurveda, we are against a specific person, or maybe they have got hurted with the words or the language being used against them, but they were not against the system of medicine. They were not against
Okay.
those doctors who are genuinely practicing Ayurveda. They have quoted this on record. So I think this we need to respect, this we need to understand, and if we both will respect each other, if we both will respect each other pathy, I think that will come up,
Mhm.
that will grow, and that mindset will need to again, as I said, duplicate and replicate, and this will ensure that we all are getting a respect in the society. And ultimately patient, they never see if I am taking allopathic medicine, I am taking Ayurveda medicine, patient mindset is I need to get healed. It's very very simple.
Okay.
Patient
Yeah.
don't think, and they don't want to in fact go to in that debate or argument whether they are taking allopathy, whether they are taking Ayurveda, which is better, which is not. No, patient ultimately
Mhm.
needs, patient ultimately needs
Result.
whatever the problem, whatever the issue, whatever the, so many patients are coming that do whatever you want to do, give whatever medicine you want to give us, just give me relief in my pain. I have taken so
Mhm.
many high to high painkillers, injections, whatever, but I am not getting relief in my pain. So whatever you want to do, whatever medicine you want to give. I don't care whether it is Ayurveda, whether it is any other medicine. No, I want relief in my pain, very clear. So
Hmm.
for patient it is cure of their disease. So it's not about the pathy. We doctors need to understand where we need to draw a line, that this is our area of practice or expertise of practice. This is your
Hmm.
expertise of practice. Let's define that, and let's respect each other, and let's take it forward in that way.